right, we're here back live from the UVA Arena with Mr. B Easy of Team CNS.
Yes, sir.
What does the UVA mean to you, young man?
It means a lot. I look forward to every Friday because I get to, link up with my teammates and play against all the great guys that are part of this league. So it's just something I look forward to. It means a lot to me.
All right, so your Team CNS. What is B Easy's role on Team CNS?
Just hustle and go with the flow. If there's shots to make, I gotta hit them. And that's about it. Just pass the ball and everybody eats.
Well, I usually only have 2 questions, but I got an extra question for you.
Okay.
But Mr. B Easy, is there a shot that you don't like? That you won't take?
Open shot. And I don't mean that in like a cocky way or anything, but contested shots are my thing.
All right, I got one more question.
Yeah,
This
what's
is
up?
worth a $5 cash out.
Okay.
What does UVA stand for?
Man, I was just on YouTube. Because, hey, last week, I'm not going to lie, last week I was like, what does UVA stand for? So I went on YouTube. Yeah, you put me on the spot right there.
That's my job.
I failed, man.
That's my job. I'll keep my $5. All right, back to you, O. Peace.